Is your UGREEN FineTrack air tracker showing a low battery warning or has it stopped working? Here's how to replace the battery in less than a few minutes. Before we begin, you'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. If you don't have a flathead screwdriver, don't worry. You can also use another thin flat tool such as a metal nail file, a precision flathead screwdriver, a plastic opening tool spudger, or the flat tip of a small pocket knife. Just make sure it's thin enough to fit into the small notch and use it carefully to avoid damaging the tracker. I've added affiliate links for the CR2032 battery and the tools used in this video in the description below. If you'd like to check them out, it really helps support the channel. Step 1. Locate the small indentation on the side of your FineTrack air tracker. Step 2. Insert the flathead screwdriver or your alternative tool into the small notch and gently pry the cover upward until it pops open. Step 3. Carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from the tracker. Step 4. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same position with the correct orientation. Once it's installed correctly, you'll hear a notification sound from the tracker confirming that it's powered on. Step 5. Place the top side of the cover back first, then press firmly until the cover snaps securely into place. That's it. If this video helps you solve your problem or saves you time, you can consider supporting the channel with a super thanks. Your support helps us continue creating free, helpful tutorials like this. And if you're planning to buy a CR2032 battery or any of the tools used in this video, please check out the affiliate links in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra and every purchase helps support the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.